Hey there, it's Claire from Clairified Creations and welcome to my empty apartment tour. I just moved into the Greenville, South Carolina area, so I thought it'd be kind of cool to show you all what my apartment looks like empty before all the decorating happens. If you're new to my channel, I recently got a job as an oncology nurse here in South Carolina, so I'm starting that job in a few weeks now, which is super exciting, and I'm vlogging my journey as a nurse, lifestyle vlogger, all of that. So if you like that, you definitely hit subscribe. But anyways, guys, this is my 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment. And it did come with some amenities that I'll show you all in just a second. You walk in and there is the door with sort of a deadbolt. It looks a little old, but hopefully it'll do the job to keep intruders out. This is the living room. So you can see big window there, and it actually has a fireplace, which is pretty cool. A little ledge. I think it's a gas one. Yeah, that definitely does not look like real wood. And I also did not know that this was gonna be wood flooring. So that is the living room. Thinking the couch is gonna go right there. Kind of dark in there, sorry. That is my balcony, but I'm not gonna take you all out there because I really don't want you all to know where I live. Kind of an overlook, bird's eye view. And then I'm gonna flip you around and this is what you see from the living room. Big dining area, that is really good. I do think a table will fit over there, so that's sort of exciting. Got a nice fan going on there. Currently can't figure out how to turn it off though, so we shall see. And this is the kitchen. I am very surprised. Uh-oh, the fan looks kind of wonky. You guys see that? The kitchen looks really big for a 1-bed, 1-bath. Super happy about that. Appliances look pretty good too, and it came with a microwave. I cannot tell you how many times apartments just don't come with microwaves. It's crazy to me. I mean, a microwave is, I think, is an essential part of a kitchen, but a bunch of places I toured didn't have that or a dishwasher, which, man, that would kind of be tragic, especially the dishwasher, you guys. I do not like washing dishes. I don't think anybody does, but dishwashers, I've kind of lived by them for the past ever since I was starting to wash dishes, so I really don't know what I would do without one. I got a microwave, so I don't have to buy that, which is good because I have spent a lot with security deposits and everything. And then I'll flip you here. If you're wondering, no, this is definitely not real granite. It's kind of like plasticky, but it looks pretty. So nice handles. Okay, the drawers are pretty clean. Looking pretty new, actually. So, dishwasher. Definitely an older model, but not too shabby. I don't know if that is really supposed to be crooked or not. I don't know. We'll see. Good counter space, a double sink. This looks pretty new. I'm probably gonna put the drainer side to put dishes in here. That is nice to have, the sprayer. And coming over here, more counter space. Good size cabinets. And then we'll look at the fridge. Standard 3/4 fridge, but the good news is, guys, I have an ice maker. That is good to have because my last apartment when I lived in the Knoxville area did not have an ice maker. Recap of kitchen and the living room. Now we're gonna go down the hall and we're gonna see what else we can find. This is the hallway. This door is just a standard, like, air conditioning unit. Oop, looking a little, feels a little old, to be honest. You walk in, the first room on the left is my bedroom. So decent size, definitely much smaller than the one I have in Tennessee, but it's a good size. And got some double windows and a closet. Now the closet is a little, not the walk-in I am used to for sure, but we'll make it work. We will. Closet, there's no light in the closet. That's very interesting. I just cleaned the carpet, so I'm currently walking on wet carpet right now, but doing it for the YouTube it'll definitely fit everything I need to in here. See my hoka shoes, that's exciting. And then if we go straight out from my bedroom, there's a nice closet that has some storage and some shelves. That'll maybe be my pantry or a linen closet, I'm not super sure yet. This room is the washer and dryer, which, oh my goodness, you guys, it's crazy. So many apartments have laundry facilities, but they don't have an actual washer and dryer. This is a very nice luxury to have. Looking like a standard set, Hot Point. Never heard of it before, but as long as it washes clothes, we'll be good. Let's see what the dryer is. Okay, it's a good size. Some cabinets. Cabinets are located up here above the washer and dryer. Another weird, is that an air, maybe that's a hot water tank. Next is another closet. Maybe put some laundry things in here, detergent. Good size, I can actually step in it. Moving out of the washer dryer area, going to go to the final place, which is the bathroom. Close that real fast. Flip you all around. Very nice counter space. Because if you all are a girl, you know you like to spread out everything and put everything everywhere. Got some cabinets. Now, there is no drawers. Comment down below why there are fake drawers but not real drawers. It's okay though. This bathroom is very, very big. Let me show you all. That is the thing from the wet carpet, so ignore that. We have a shower curtain rod, like that. A tub, double towel racks. Yay. Just a quick synopsis here. Bathroom, laundry, closet, bedroom, another closet, but that's air conditioning, living room, and dining room. Okay guys, that concludes the end of my apartment tour. I will see you all later. Bye.